Bilingual learning. Welcome to the Hajj journey. Let's go on a special journey to worship Allah together. This is my Hajj journey roadmap. We will travel together and learn what pilgrims do at each stop.
Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim.
Let's start the journey by going to Makkah, the holy city where pilgrims gather to worship Allah. The first step is Miqat, where pilgrims put on the special clothes called Ihram and make the intention for Hajj. Second step is arrival to Kaaba. Here pilgrims walk around the Kaaba 7 times. This is called
Tawaf al Wada.
the welcoming Tawaf. The next step is
Say.
Pilgrims walk back and forth 7 times between the hills of Safa and Marwa, remembering the story of Hajar searching for water for her son Ismail. The next step is going to Mina. Pilgrims travel to Mina and stay in tents, spending the night in prayer and preparation for the big day of Arafat. This was the first day of Hajj, the 8th of Zil-Hajj. The next step is the day of Arafat. Pilgrims gather at the plain of Arafat, standing in prayer and asking Allah for forgiveness. This is the most important day of Hajj. The next step is Muzdalifah. Pilgrims travel from Arafat to Muzdalifah, spend the night under the open sky, pray, and collect small stones for the next ritual. On the 3rd day of Hajj, pilgrims throw 7 stones at the big pillar, called Jamarat al-Aqaba. This act shows rejection of shaitan and obedience to Allah. Pilgrims celebrate Eid after stoning Jamarat al-Aqaba on the 10th of Dhul Hijjah. This marks the day of joy and sacrifice. After Eid, pilgrims perform Qurbani. They sacrifice an animal, following the tradition of Prophet Ibrahim, showing obedience to Allah. The next step is Halq or Taksir. Pilgrims shave their heads or cut their hair short. This shows humility and renewal after completing the main rites of Hajj. The next step is Tawaf al Wada. Pilgrims return to the Kaaba and circle it 7 times, showing love and devotion to Allah after completing the main rites of Hajj. The next step is
Say.
Pilgrims walk 7 times between Safa and Marwa for the 2nd time. The next step is Ayam al-Tashriq. Pilgrims remain in Mina during these 3 days, remembering Allah, reciting Takbir, and continuing the rituals of Hajj. During the days of Tashriq, pilgrims perform Ramy al Jamarat. On the 11th, 12th, and 13th of Zil-Hijjah they throw 7 stones at each of the 3 pillars, Jamarat al-Ula, Jamarat al-Wusta, and Jamarat al-Aqaba. The next step is Tawaf al Wada. Before leaving Makkah, pilgrims circle the Kaaba 7 times as a farewell, showing love and respect to Allah. Alhamdulillah. With Tawaf al Wada, the pilgrim bids farewell to Makkah, completing the Hajj, a journey of devotion, sacrifice, and remembrance of Allah. Also, the Talbiyah must never be forgotten. It is the pilgrim's constant chant from Miqat until the stoning at Jamarat on Eid day.
Labbaik Allahumma Labbaik.
Here I am, O Allah, here I am. Thanks for watching. Bilingual learning. Like, subscribe and share.